Hi, it's Mike Hayden from IntelliWolf, and this is Understanding the Basic Structure of a Web Page. So we've got an example of a basic web page layout here. Most websites are going to follow this structure, although we'll note some of the more common differences in a second. So imagine it is made up of a series of boxes. Up top, you have the header. Next, we have the main body. And finally, at the bottom, we've got the footer. So the head can be divided into the logo. Sometimes it's the site name and also the navigation. And then the main body can be divided into the content and the sidebar. That's pretty much all there is to it. This structure and these variations will cover almost all the websites that you'll see online. It'll look a little different if you view it on a mobile device. That's called responsive design, the way that it flows nicely from desktop to mobile device, but that's a lesson for another day. So common variations that you'll see. Let's pull them up. This is the version that we had before. So common variations you'll see the navigation to the right of the logo. So navigation here, and then you've got the logo here, pushes left as opposed to centered like this. Next, you'll have another variation of sidebar to the left versus sidebar to the right. And then we also have full width pages where the sidebar goes away completely. And then the final one, we have columns in the footer. So you can mix and match any of these, put them all together, but that's pretty much going to cover almost all the websites that you're going to build. So if you're just getting into web design, mastering the different ways of implementing this will let you build all but the fanciest of websites.